This close-up of the DR2 wall switch dimmer driver shows you how the power goes in and then goes out to the LEDs. The bottom is the power in. Typically 44 to 51 volts is what we recommend. The output goes to the LEDs, and in this case we're using tunable white. So we're using both sides to go to a single LED, and we're able to change the color temperature. The multi-color connector in the middle, that's for our control lines, the DA bus, which is also called DALI. And at the bottom, we have the N-way connector. We call this N-way because it can be 3, 4, 5, or 6 switches that can remotely turn the LEDs on and off and dim them. From the front, it looks like a regular wall switch dimmer driver. No one's going to be confused about how this operates and how it controls the brightness of the LEDs.